Lithium battery-powered lawnmowers are primarily used in gardening and landscaping industries. In home gardening, they help users maintain their own gardens and lawns, clear weeds, and keep the lawns looking neat and attractive. In the landscaping industry, they are used for lawn maintenance in public areas such as parks and green spaces, as well as for weed control in some small landscape areas. Accessories: protective cover, nylon trimmer head, triangular blade. With a variety of weeding heads. Front drive. Thickened and widened grass guard to prevent gravel splashing. Foldable and retractable aluminum alloy extension rod. Safety switch. Rubber-coated auxiliary handle. Battery level display. Multifunction adjustment. Side-mounted strap for easier carrying.